the Speaker of Parliament, Anita has issued a statement about the Karuma bridge closure. This comes after serious pressure from a number of MPs from northern Uganda, notably Honorable Hamere, Olanya Gilbert, and a number from West Nile, and also a statement which was issued by Lao parliamentary groups making hate demands. So the response is here. Last week, some members of parliament from northern Uganda raised concerns about road levies imposed by the Uganda Wildlife Authority on the usage of roads in Mission Falls National Game Park by travelers affected by the closure of Karuma Bridge over the weekend. A video emerged showing some honorable members demanding that the road levies be waived from non-tourist travelers passing through Mission Falls National Game Park. I urge the Minister of Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities to address the concerns of the affected people and their leaders, and to resolve the issue amicably to facilitate the movement of people and goods to and from northern Uganda and West Nile. Ultimately, citizens should be at the center of service delivery. Any public process that alienates citizens is destined to fail. So this is a message that came in, a statement issued by the Speaker of Parliament of Uganda. She has joined the plea to make sure that these charges are waived up, and these charges are making a lot of worries in northern Uganda. Many people from northern Uganda are thinking, like, is the country getting divided by this painful experience where you have to pay a lot of money, you have to pay to and fro to travel? Is the country being secretly cut off from the center, that is the capital center, different from the geographical center? So here is the new development. We don't know. Some people are also still reacting on WhatsApp that it should not be in words but in action. So they are still doubting the words issued by the Speaker of Parliament. So as this situation remains, we will still keep following closely what is happening. Thank you.